Welcome to EVT. Today we present EyePickIt, our powerful bundle for flexible and precise robot automation. Like its previous version, the Robot Vision Bundle, EyePickIt guarantees a perfectly coordinated package of hardware and software to add the eyes for the robot task with the power of AI. Configured precisely for your specific application and with only the components you really need, from just the software and the camera to the complete solution, including the robot. Whether pick and place, complex assembly tasks, or precise quality control, EyePickIt teaches robots to see and adapts flexibly to your requirements. Thanks to the state-of-the-art hand-eye calibration, easy image recognition based on AI and the movement from image to robot are perfectly synchronized for absolute accuracy in every application. Real-time tracking? No problem either. Just contact us for more information. The most important advantages. Flexibility. EyePickIt is suitable for any application, from precise bin picking of small components to handling large parts in automotive factoring. Precision. Intelligent calibration means the system adapts automatically, no manual readjustment necessary. Efficiency. Automatic detection and correction of access tolerances reduce setup time to a minimum. Easy of use. With EyeVision's intuitive drag-and-drop interface and powerful AI tools, setting up your system is fast and easy. Even complex parts can be accurately detected and picked by the robot, all without any programming knowledge. The powerful EyeVision software is the basis behind EyePickIt. It offers all the important tools from AI recognition to pattern recognition, error checking, and much more. Whether palletizing, depalletizing, or even bin picking, EyePickIt works on robots of any size and adapts to the different robot brands with maximum efficiency. From micro applications to heavy-duty robots, EyePickIt can do it all. Typical applications include automatic assembly processes, quality control and error detection, sorting and picking, and many more. The power of AI with the ease of use of the EyeVision tools allows even a layman to solve the robot vision task with EyePickIt. Want to find out more? Contact us now for a consultation or scan the QR code on your screen.